Moley Robotic Kitchen is a robot chef that can cook meals automatically in a fully equipped smart kitchen, from ingredient preparation to serving, without human assistance. It can detect dropped food or undesired objects and respond accordingly via vision systems. Moley Robotic Kitchen uses 2 robotic arms with fully articulated hands developed in partnership with SCHUNK. These arms are capable of tasks such as picking up cookware, turning hobs, pouring, stirring, and plating. They are built-in sensors that allow for pressure control and precise manipulation. Moley Robotic Kitchen is built around a 3D cooking engine that has recorded movements from professional chefs and can reproduce them. It claims support for thousands of recipes across global cuisines, including vegetarian, vegan, or allergy-free options. You can select dishes via a touch interface or tablet GUI, define the recipe, and the system automates the process.